buttercup. Canada weather, got her bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna. Whoa, too bad was you know they roll. Getting hot because the lows and the feelings we never do show. I give you some X and O, yeah. I had.
And welcome back. As you guys can tell, the channel has a new name, and that is because I actually sold the BMW. We're not gonna have that anymore. We might, because I have some proof, and I'm gonna show you guys what I'm talking about, because I actually sold it to somebody who's actually willing to sell it back to me. We'll talk about that later on. But the first video about the Silverado, I just picked this up not too long ago. I want to say maybe like 5 months ago or so. And you know, I've always wanted a truck, so you know, this is a pretty decent truck. You know, it's whole, like everything is there, not like the BMW that was missing a bunch of parts because of me. To start off with, you guys already can see the tuner up there, but we'll get into that in a little bit. To begin with, you know, obviously it's a 1500, it's a 4x4. I'll show you guys around the whole truck here in a little bit. It does already have quite a few things that I think just woke it up, to be honest. And like I said, this is a pretty awesome truck. I love it. It's a 5.3, not the 6.0 or the 4.8. So it's pretty much like the legendary 5.3 that everybody talks about, and it's a great engine. I'm super excited about what else I'm gonna throw onto the truck as far as performance and make this truck the quickest one in town. So enough talking, and let's get around the whole truck so I can show you guys around. Alright, so to begin with, you guys already can see I got 20-inch rims and tires. Anyways, as you can tell, the color is white. It is icy, as you can tell. I love it. I love the color white, and the front is black. I also love that too. So anyways, if you guys come back here, I'm gonna show you how the pinion bearing actually looked whenever it busted. That's why I had to, like, you know, change it out. I got the bigger gears, obviously, but this is the one from the Silverado. Yeah, it wasn't pretty, honestly. Like, even this bearing that goes up here, the front one by the drive shaft, that shit was like completely blown. Fucking truck was making a bunch of different noises and shit. It was crazy. Other than that, you guys can already tell right here. As you can see, I got the two-step because I'm actually planning on, you know, boosting the Silverado. Easiest way to make more power. MSD wires, as you can tell, pace setter headers for the 4x4 because they do go on the side of the front drive shaft. Nothing fancy. I did a shitty job there painting the valve covers, as you can tell. Let me come back here and show you the gears I put in, or you can't see them, but you know, I even painted the valve cover on the bottom. See, you can tell, yeah guys, it was pretty bad. Whenever it busted, I had to clean it all up in this bitch because, you know, the fluid, the gear oil was everywhere, even on the tires, which was crazy. It kind of smelled in the cab too. But yeah, I mean, it's the same axle, just different gears. 456 really do get up and go. I'm telling you, the tune really does wake it up. And as you can tell, here's the tuner, Livewire TS Plus. I will tell you guys, this tuner is crazy expensive, but what it can do, I'm going to make another video and review it so you guys can see what you guys are getting if you do plan on getting this one. But I will say it is worth the money for what it can do. But yeah guys, I mean, that's the whole walk around of the truck, to be honest. You know, there's really not much, but what I have does wake up the truck, like I keep saying. Eventually I'll do a review of that with the tuner, with the two-step and everything, do some launches for you guys, and yeah, just keep posted. Make sure to subscribe, you know, share, like the videos, comment. If you guys have any questions, I'll be gladly to answer them. You know, I'll do my best to answer whatever questions you guys have. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the Silverado. But yeah guys, anyways, thanks for watching.